Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. What I got in front of me is a glider. This glider in specifically is specific to me because I got this glider from a friend of mine who got this from somebody at the club. This plane has been passed around through our RC club. I got it. I actually got it to fly a couple of times. You've seen the videos here on the club on the channel, and it finally crashed for the last time, and it's been sitting in my office in my shop here for a while. It's a pretty simple build. I can fix it myself. It's epoxy and fiberglass. I need to buy some epoxy and fiberglass for it in order to fix it. It needs resin, new resin nose. The components inside need to be fixed in place. I got to pull the servos out. I got to do some sanding on the side here, and you can see that this whole area needs to be fixed up here. You can see it's really in pretty rough condition. I have the resin to do this with, and I just haven't been able to do it. I do have fiberglass and things like that. I just need to buy resin. I have resin paste, which is epoxy based stuff, but I really need to fix it up in terms of that. I also have to take these servos out in order to fix the interior up. And then the big issue is in the back. Such a big plane. Um, really can't barely see it, but see here, if I adjust the camera a little bit, you can see that there's a dent, pretty substantial dent. You can see it right there. I'm thinking what I can do is maybe drill a small hole and inject some expanding foam and actually get it to pop out. It hasn't really affected the flight characteristics. I don't think this is not bent up; it's just crushed in. But I think I can get it to set up correctly. The servo still works; it's still attached. So I also have another one over there that still needs to be built also. So that'll be another plane. Again, I have lots of airplanes to work on here in the clubhouse. I'm sorry. Why do I keep saying clubhouse? I don't know. But I have a lot of planes that I can work on here in the shop, and we've got enough to work on for ourselves. So, but stay tuned. More to come. Definitely will be working on this one here in the shop, and we will get it up and flying again and working again. So I look forward to talking about it, and this is a great subject to do. So stay tuned, guys. Model Man Frank out.